My name is Jonah. I'm a biology major and a bioengineering minor, and my spot is the ISC. The ISC is my spot because I love doing research. Research has always been my passion, and the ISC allows me to fulfill that with all of the tools and skills necessary. I get to interact with people outside of my major in different fields that all come together and work on the same project, and I've met a lot of good friends through that. I've met a lot of great mentors through that, and I've gotten to network with people I normally wouldn't be able to. On a typical day here, I'll come and do some work, do some research in one of my labs. Some of my best friends also work in labs in this building, and we'll have coffee together, study together. It's a nice place to collaborate. I'm really proud of the projects I've worked on in sustainable and functional bioceramics and biocomposites that will replace everyday materials like cardboard, insulation, glass, hopefully sometime in the future. Whether I'm studying, relaxing, or getting involved in awesome scientific research, the ISC is my spot for exploration and academic growth at William & Mary.